and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to quickly grab and group things in PowerPoint. I'm a math teacher and I'm always looking for efficient ways to create my resources, and I have learned a quick trick you may know, but if you don't, you need to. When opening a new PowerPoint, it often opens to this screen, and before I would literally click and then hit delete and then click and hit delete so that I could start fresh, and then I would change my view or the design shape and everything so that it would be printable and make it look like a worksheet or whatever I was working on. But I learned that my two things, you can click on one item and then hit control and click on another, and then you could delete. But I've learned an even faster way is to just drag a box around everything, and it highlights everything that you were able to drag completely into it. So this works a little different than Google Slides. Google Slides, if you even drag part of it covering the image, the whatever it is, in this case a text box, it will select it. But in PowerPoint, you have to cover all of them. For example, if I did this much, it would select the top one, but not the bottom one. So this can be helpful when you're creating math resources. So say I was making an angle, and I do have a tutorial on how I create different geometric shapes. I'm going to do like, let's just make this and give it some arrows on the ends. Oh, wow, that is strange. What happened there? I've never seen that before. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, actually, for this purpose, let's we're going to create an angle doing different pieces, and that way I can show you how to quickly grab and group them. So I'm going to zoom in, make sure that we're good here. Maybe I want a vertex here at like an actual point. It's for students to visualize. And so I could come here and make a little point there. And then, so now I have 3 different pieces. And if I want to resize or move in any way, this gets cumbersome to continually try to grab all of the pieces. And so this is an instance where I would grab the entire thing, and then I would do Control G to group, or if you would rather right click on one of the shapes, you can go to group and do group. Again, Control G does the same thing. And then it groups it. And so yeah, grabbing all of your things at once is incredibly helpful. And there is another tutorial that I've done about resizing and things in PowerPoint. And so I hope that you find this helpful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.